Welcome to Maths World YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment my YouTube channel to get new and innovative content about maths. Today we will discuss exercise 2.6 question number 5. 1, 3 are roots of equation x4 minus 10x plus 9 is equals to 0. So what you will do, you're going to find the value of x also. So synthetic division like this, and what you will root 1 firstly, and then 1, then x cube is 0, there's nothing in x cube, so 0 minus 10x, then 0 again, and then 9. Every time you need to extend it because it's very long. So arrow 1 ones are 1, 1 plus 0 1, 1 ones are 1, minus 10 and 1 is equals to minus 9, minus 9 1 into minus 9, minus 9 plus 0 minus 9, and minus 9 into 1 is equals to minus 9. This is equals to 0. But you just see the equation is compressed till 1, 2, 3, 4 factors. We need to compress it in 3 factors. So again with the second root you are going to solve it, and the second root is 3. Again 1, then 3 ones are 3, then 4, 3 fours are 12, 12 minus 9 is 3 here, 2 3 threes are 9, and then 0. Compress now x square, you write here x square plus 4x plus 3 is equals to 0, and if you find the value of x also, so you can find it. X square plus 3x plus x plus 3 is equals to 0. Simply factorize it. X plus 3 plus 1, then x plus 3 is equals to 0. Factors x plus 3, x plus 3, x plus 3 and x plus 1 is equals to 0. So x plus 3 is equals to 0 and x plus 1 is equals to 0. So x is equals to minus 3 and x is equals to minus 1. So you can write solution set, curly brackets, minus 3 and minus 1. This is your answer. So don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment my YouTube channel to get new and innovative content about